morning. Catch you guys up. This is going to be part 2 of my little adventures, and we spent the last 2 days here outside of Custer, and today is time we go. We're going to pick up. We're going to get leaving. All I know is that it's a Friday, and I could be making a big mistake by leaving here because I might not find another place. This is getting to be the part where I really love. You know, it's not always the wisest to come out here by yourself, but I just love getting out here. Man. I am seeing a few people out here though, and hopefully I'll be able to find a place to call home tonight. Time will tell. See ya. Well, I think I found something. Views for miles. And you can see the mountain peaks over there. There's a few campers. Way over. And I got a fire ring too. We found about as secluded as a place that we're gonna find. Awesome here. Look at this view. Oh, there's definitely a reason why these kind of places right here are my favorite. This is away from everybody, which also means it's away from cell phone signal. So I don't have any internet, which is all right with me, because that usually means I don't have neighbors either. Golly, there's something on my camper. But I do not know what that is. Is that a horse? That. Oh, it's a moose. Oh, I hope you can see it. Oh my God, he's huge. I can still get to the camper if he starts chasing after me. Oh, he heard me. Hey. So I think we're gonna be ready to call it another day here soon. This place is awesome. I think that the Bighorn Mountains are a little underrated. I don't think that they get quite the recognition they deserve. These hills are beautiful. Well, last night was fun. A storm rolled through, just tremendous winds. It was pretty crazy. Today what we're gonna do is we're gonna go for a bike ride. We're gonna see how close we can get to these mountains back here. You know what I'm pointing at. Yesterday was 101 degrees down in town. That was at about 5,000 foot elevation. Now we're at about 9,000 elevation, and temperature is 52 degrees right now. So it is beautiful. Let's get on the bike and see what we can find. So a couple of things that I run around with in my bike bag. Bear spray. This is going to be a weather radar or a weather radio, and it also scans through like 30 other bands, not CB bands, but it just scans through some bands. So maybe if someone else is listening, I could get some help if needed, because there is no cell phone service. A bike pump, a bike lock, a multi-purpose tool, and then a small little toolkit. I also have a couple of spare tubes in here as well. And that's what I carry in my bike bag.
Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Well, looks like while I was gone, had a visitor. I'm sure they're just using the trailhead.
Sleep. Hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.
Look at this big old moose. I'll see if I can get closer to him. Boy, that's a big guy. So that moose ended up turning around, saw me, and bolted right for me. I didn't even have the camera up at the right time. I gotta tell you, that freaked me out a little bit. He started bulldozing right towards me. It's like, you gotta be kidding me. I'm gonna look like one of these lunatics that people see on YouTube when they get too close to the bears in Yellowstone. But that was awesome. I wanna go back, but I don't wanna get trampled by that thing. So this definitely makes it on my list as one of my favorite spots, and I don't want to leave, but we got to get going. There's things that we got to do and see. I don't know what they are. We'll know when we see it, but I think it's time to get off this mountain. Well, I'm gonna go take a walk to the top of this hill, or mountain, see what the view looks like. We're almost at 10,000 feet, so this is probably gonna win me. Let's go for a walk. Well, made it to a laundromat in Weldon, Wyoming. Gonna get a restart on some clean clothes. we found our spot for the night, and this is in Lindholm, Wyoming, and the lake is called Ocean Lake. This is a free campground area. It's a wildlife management area that anybody can come in and use, and there's maybe 2 people with boats on the other side of this long peninsula. Other than that, I have not seen anybody. Well, I was just about to put the drone up, and I noticed that we've got a lot of rain coming in. I don't mind the rain. It gives me a reason to stay in the camper and turn the TV on or something. Oh, we got a few more campers showed up. It's all right. Well, a little bit more editing to do. I was really hoping to get some drone footage in. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. It's just too windy out. The wind is really picking up out there. I'm talking probably 50, 60 mile an hour gusts. I thought for a second it was a tornado coming through. This is all right. Gives me a reason to stay inside. I'll turn some YouTube on. What a beautiful night. I was so thankful that last night we finally got the wind to calm down and I was able to get that drone footage that I was looking for. This has been a great stay. I will say the mosquitoes out here got nuts around 10 o'clock. It was crazy. There is no way that a person could be in a tent with the amount of mosquitoes that they have. Looking at this mountain range, I know where I want to be today, and that's up there. I don't know if it's going to show on camera or not. But that's where we're off to. With that being said, I think we're going to end this video right here though. We'll save that for next week. I want to thank you guys for coming along. Thank you guys for staying around this long. Remember, be kind, be honest. We'll see you down the road.